Namaste. Let us start the class invoking the blessings of Lord Ganesha. Mat Pranam 1, 2, 3. Vakradunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada. Welcome to the third session on EVS. Before we start the class, I want you to watch a video. In the video, what did you see, children? We have seen trees, flowers, plants. Plants are a part of our nature. They provide us with air, they give us food, they are the shelter for animals, birds and insects. Now you may be thinking how these plants grow. Yes, today's topic is needs of plants. Just like me and you, even plants also need food to grow. A small seed needs water, sunlight, air, soil and space to grow. Plants are special because they make their own food and we just help them to make the food. Plants need water. When we are thirsty, what do? We drink water, no? The same way plants need water to make food. Plants take water through the roots. Remember, too much of water damages the plants. Sunlight. What do we see in the day? We see sunlight. Life is so difficult for us to stay without the sunlight. Even plants also need sunlight to prepare their food. Plants need air to make their food. We breathe out carbon dioxide and take in oxygen. The air we breathe out is taken by the plants and make their own food. Plants take in carbon dioxide and leave out oxygen. So we are dependent on plants and they are dependent on us. We need energy to grow. We eat a lot of vegetables, fruits and eat different items. But for plants, they get nutrients from the soil. When all this is available, if there is no space, how will the plant grow? Plants need even the space to grow. Revise what plant need to grow. Soil, air, water, sunlight, space. Now let us see how to sow a plant. Take a pot which has hole on the bottom so that if you put too much of water, it comes out. Put one layer of soil, then seed. Put water to the seed and soak it overnight. It starts sprouting the next day. put the sprouted seed and one more layer of soil. Now what we have to do? We have to water the plant. Next, we have to keep the plant where there is sufficient sunlight and air. Remember to water the plants every day. You saw children how to plant. After few days the plant will grow. Now how does the plant from the seed grows to a plant? The process of the plant developing from the seed is called as germination. The seed starts sprouting up. Then the root comes down and the shoot comes up. Then there is a sapling and then the plant. Now you came to know how the seed becomes a plant. Let us do an experiment. Take 3 glass, label it as A, B, C. Now what the plant needs? First, soil. Put one layer of soil. Put one layer of soil. Few seeds, one more layer of soil, now what the plant needs to grow? We have to water the plants. Remember, there is no hole in the plant, so we have to water little. Now remember what is the instruction? A. Keep the container where there is sufficient sunlight, air and water. B. Keep the container outside where there is sufficient sunlight and air, but remember not to water it. C. Provide water, air but not sunlight. Keep the container where there is no sunlight. After few days, plant A has grown healthy. Plant B has dried up because there is no water. Plant C has grown like this because it has not acquired sunlight. Plant A has grown healthy because it had all the needs of the plant, that is soil, air, water and sunlight. B. Plant B has dried up because it did not have water. It had only sunlight and air. In C, see the plant, it is very light green because it did not have sunlight. From this we came to know that plants need air, water, sunlight to grow. माते प्रणाम 1, 2, 3. ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।